Okay, hi everyone. I'm Katie. So today is the trading commentary for the week of January 6th to January 10, 2025. As you can see, the market is still open, but I have decided to record this trading commentary because my trades are done for this week, and I have no options position that is expiring this Friday. So I will call it a day after 1 week of trading options here. So let's go through the trades that I have done and what is the rationale for doing that. So on January 6th, 2025, you can see that uh, I did Pfizer. I bought Pfizer contracts back uh, $27 strike price on January 17th. So it's a call options being bought back, and then I'm rolling it to January 31st, 2025 at the same strike price. So gaining a premium of 0.11 cents. So the rationale of doing this is because I've been monitoring the extrinsic value of this position for January 17. So to me, if it drops to more than 50% of the original ask price, then I would decide to roll it so that I would gain more advantage for doing so. Next for KO Coca-Cola on 6th of January, decided to sell additional five contracts at $61 because I saw the trend and decided that I wanted to accumulate more units of Coca-Cola to bring down my average price from $65 to $63. And when I sell call for the stocks that I was assigned, then I would have a higher premium. So in this case, next week, if Coca-Cola is still above $61, then this contract will expire out of the money, and 64 cents will be into my pocket. Else, if Coca-Cola goes below $61, then I will be picking up the Coca-Cola stocks and then will sell the call options for Coca-Cola at the average strike price of $63. Next for AG, I have decided to sell the puts for January 17 at $5.50 um, because I wanted to bring down the average price of AG from 6.50 to $6. So I have positions in AG and having a call options being sold for it at 6.50. So by selling the puts for AG at 5.50 to bring down the average price of AG at $6, so that will allow me to sell the call options at $6 instead of 6.50, which will net me a higher premium. So for this position, I got 0.11 uh, dollars. It's about 11 cents for this credit. So next, for Coca-Cola, okay, what I did is that I roll the positions from February 7 to February 21st in the process of gaining 23 cents for premium. As the same reason because the intrinsic value of this Coca-Cola position at February 7 is diminishing. So that's why I decided to roll it forward. Next for Robinhood, saw the trend for Robinhood, so decided to That time it was bullish, so decided to stack it by uh, rolling the strike price from $40 to $42. So in the process, gaining 60 cents credit. Mm, then I also looking that it was quite bullish in the first part of the week, so have sold additional uh, lots, additional contracts of Robinhood at $42 the money. Okay, so in the same time, also roll the Robinhood contracts at $40 strike price to a further date, February 14, uh, in the process of gaining about $1.24. So in the end, for uh, uh, Robinhood consolidation from January can $42 put uh, initially that have skid, I bought it back and then uh, roll it 1 week later at January 17 to gain 60 cents premium because all this is still bullish for Robinhood. Okay, so uh, s- so let me take a look. So for Robinhood, $42. Yeah. So got back and so so in on the same day, or rather, probably towards the end of the market, when it's closing, saw that Robinhood is actually dropping, getting bearish. So decided uh, to further roll the Robinhood goods that were actually expiring on the 17th, um, which is this $42 sold at January 17, and then roll it further up to uh, February 14. So just clarification, it's not on the January 9, it's actually today. So today, January 10, right? So that Hood is going downwards. So the Hood contracts at $42, expiring January 17, 2025. Decided to roll it to February 14, 2025 at a lower strike price of $40 so that it helps to consolidate the whole total position of Robinhood at $40 strike price for easier calculation. So you can see that that's why that's a roll to February 14. So on February 14, I have more than 30 contracts of Robinhood here. But in this process from January 17 roll to February 14, that's about 1 month. It's about 95 cents here. Okay. So here, looking at the whole market, right? It's drifting downwards. So decided to buy put to hedge my positions. So when I look at KRE, I bought puts for it, 60 contracts. However, I checked that when I bought the KRE uh, puts, right, I found out that my excess liquidity didn't change. So this doesn't really hedge my position. So you can see later that I sold the puts back at the same price at 0.09, just incurring the commission fee. So for Hood, I did the same. I bought the puts to hedge my position, bringing up my excess liquidity at an additional 30 to 40% of the current excess liquidity. So accessibility, it has to be positive to prevent my positions from being closed. So the rationale is to have the accessibility to weather through the drop in the market and constantly selling calls or selling puts to gain the premium so that the positions were not closed, but we will still earn the premiums where the options expire as time goes by. So this concept is that generally in the long run, what goes down will go up. So uh, just to see as the stocks starts to drop, we will sell the call or we sell the put and we roll it to constantly generating the premium. And when market starts to turn bullish, then it will be a good time to exit. Like my sold calls will be assigned, then the stocks will be called away, and my sold puts, right, will expire out of the money. Okay, so you can see that I have uh, bought back the KRE puts sold. No, bought back the KRE puts that I have. No, I have sold the KRE puts that I have bought earlier. Okay, just incurring the commission fee. Yeah. So currently there are some puts being bought for Robinhood to hedge my position. So it will allow me to weather through. And next week, depending on the market, whether I will be buying more uh, puts to hedge my position. So this is the weekly trading commentary. And don't forget to like my channel and don't forget to also subscribe to my channel. So have a great day trading, everyone, and I will see you next week.